So Aryaman, how should I do question 11th A part?
So first, we'll replace all the x's by 3. So then we'll get 5, and then in brackets 3 cube minus 3 brackets close plus 5 into 3 square divided by 3 minus 12 into 3, which equals to 5, and then in brackets 27 minus 3 brackets close plus 45 upon 3 minus 36, which equals to 5 into 24 plus 15 minus 36, which equals to 120 plus 15 minus 36, which equals to 135 minus 36, which equals to 99.
देखिए मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ की है क्या? 5 3 9 3 9 27 27 minus 3. अच्छा
27 and then into 5, that's 1. I mean 24 into 5.
27 minus 3.
Yeah. $120.
Sarthak, what is your answer?
So I got 97, but I forgot to subtract 3.
Have you understood how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, B part?
So first we'll replace all the y's with 4. So we'll get 3 into 4 plus 16 divided by 4 plus 4 divided by 2 in brackets, and then to the power of 4 minus 20 divided by 4. So that will equal to 12 plus 16 divided by 4 plus 16 minus 5, which equals to 28 divided by 4 plus 16 minus 5, which equals to 7 plus 16 minus 5, which equals to 18.
Mr. Sarthak, what is your answer?
So I got 18.
Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Aryaman, were you able to do question number 12?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how should I do it?
So first we'll replace all the C's with 5 and D with minus 3. So we'll get 4 into, and then in 4 and then brackets may we'll get minus 3 square minus 100 divided by minus 3 square minus 3 into 5 into minus 3.
Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
You just see, it seems complicated, but all it requires is calculation. That is it. Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, if you want, you can do this as homework. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
You can try to solve this. Both of them should be equal. They should be the same. Yeah? Okay, great.
What's up?
Great job, sir. Good job. And then I think now you will find this very simple. Okay. Sarthak, can you tell me how to do I part? Sarthak?
So x is 2, so it will be 2 into in brackets 2 raised to power 3 minus and z is minus 2 raised to power 2. So it will become plus 2 and 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So 8 minus 4. So it will be 2 into 2. So
Is it correct?
yes, sir.
Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, K part. Mr. Sarthak.
So W is 3. So 3 plus minus 2. 3 plus minus 2 and x is 2. So 3 x 3 into 2 minus 2 minus 4. So it will be 3 into 2, so 6 minus 8. It will be 14.
3 minus 8 is a 14. 14 to the 28. Mr. Sarthak, is the answer minus 25?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, is it minus 25? K part?
So I got 14.
You got 14.
Yeah.
W3. Z is
Yes.
minus 2. 3 into 2
So
minus.
So should I say how I got my answer, sir?
यार मैं एक बार चेक कर लो.
हाँ, sir.
एक बार चेक कर लो. 3 minus 2
हाँ.
and this would be 6 plus 8. 3 minus 8 plus 6 is 14. Into the
Yes.
20. I think this is correct.
So-
Yeah, Aryaman.
So cause we did 3 plus minus 2.
Okay.
Then in brackets 3 into 2.
Yeah.
Minus 2 into minus 4.
Okay.
So then 3 into 2 we'll get 6.
Yeah.
Then minus 2 into minus 4 we'll get we'll get 8 here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I made an error, sir.
Yeah. So are we okay about this? Minus 25?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. Good job.